Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Equalizer APO. This is the software tools that the graphic equalizer function for your Windows. So it is implemented as an audio processing object for the system effect infrastructure introduced with this Windows 11. Because the minimum requirement is Windows 7 and up to Windows 11. So here, this Equalizer APO is best used in conjunction with this Room Equalizer Wizard. You can also download this software. So here, the features is virtually unlimited number of filters, works on any number of channels, very low latency which make it suit for interactive application, and low processor usage or CPU usage, modular graphical user interface, and VST plugin support. So this is the interface after installation. So you can configure the graphic equalizer. You can choose between a 15 band, 31 band, and variable, and you can increase the gain or pre-amplification here. And also here you can copy the channel, left to right to. You can copy channel to virtual channels to filter them while keeping the originals. And also this is the graphic equalizer that you can set, you can configure by yourself. So feel free to try this Equalizer APO. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.